Father, I said till death do us part. I want to mean it with all of my heart. Help me to love you more than I love her. Then I know I can love her more than anyone else. And bring her in your presence today. Make her what you want her to be. I pray to hear her heart. I pray she'll love you more. I pray to cherish and serve her, and will bring you glory today. I pray.
Ano yung ginagawa ninyo dapat na hindi dapat mawala ito dahil ito yung pinakamahalaga sa inyo? Panalangin. Iyan ang pinakamahalaga.
Oh, sabi nga ni Father Patrick Peyton, the family that prays together stays together. Iyan ang susi.
Eventually we'll fall asleep and dream about these past 3 weeks, or lie awake and dedicate our thoughts to finding what it means. But when it is all said and done, I can't think of anyone else. Hope will take its toll and ignite your soul. Hope will take its toll and ignite your soul. Hope will take its toll and ignite your soul. Hope will take its toll and ignite your soul. They will follow the flashes in the dark. They won't stop until they find where to start.